Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and in this video I want to talk about reversals. Okay, we all heard that the trend is your friend, but at some point the trend ends. Okay, and with the right technique and the right understanding what reversal is, you will be able to spot these very opportunities that will provide you a high probability of success, high accuracy level in reversal trading and reversal strategies. So to present it, I will take a trade from the trading report. This trading report is available to Traders Academy Club members. Okay, below, as you can see here, we have a full watch list which we follow with all our trading idea analysis and the setups. And I want to present the reversal principle I want to talk about in this video by taking the pound dollar and analyzing this one and explaining what do we have there. So let's start with the 4-hour chart, but before I dig deeper in the explanation, if you are new to this channel, I would like to welcome you to our fantastic community and to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video and please remember to enable the notification so you know when I upload a new video for you. As well, I would like to invite you to join our trading club where you would be enjoying our live market analysis with all the trading ideas on daily basis, and you would also receive all the trading reports as I just showed. Also, you can follow our work in a free Telegram channel that is available for the community. Both links could be found below this video in the description and in the pinned comment on the comment section. So what do we have there and how do I approach it? The trend here at the moment, as we on the very top, is bullish. The market managed to create highs, the market managed to create lows, and they both go to the upside. This is a bullish trend. It's not maybe a long-term bullish trend, but it is what we are facing on the last 1.5 months. So why would we look to sell here, right? If the trend is your friend, you should be looking to join it. And the whole thing here to understand, at some point every trend ends, and at some point every trend begins at some point, a new trend begins at some points, and that starts with a reversals. And a very important thing you have to understand, when you are spotting reversals, at that very moment of the spot, you have no clue if a new trend will develop or not. Most traders just fill themselves with wishes, with fantasies. Oh, now I'm going to catch a 500 pips move or 1000 pip move or whatever. Traders tell themselves stories. They catch a level and they convince themselves that now it's going to crash. Especially if you follow some forums or whatsoever, you see like dramatic lines or dramatic arrows presenting like 1000 pip move is going to come, right? It's popular on the Instagram or whatever the places are. The truth is that completely most of the times, the market doesn't make such dramatic changes. For a trend to change, it has way more to do than just follow some specific line that we draw. So every reversal starts at some point, and I want you to remember that reversal as is might be a beginning of a new trend or might be just a correction before a continuation to the following trend. And when you are about to find your opportunities here, then remember that you will not wake up tomorrow here at that point. Most likely. Sometimes the market might surprise, of course, but most likely and most of the times it will not happen. Reversal could be a beginning of a new trend, but could be also just a correction, a pullback. Now, how to trade this reversal? So first of all, spot an important level. And the way I always work is a multi-time frame analysis. And I invite you to Traders Academy Club to learn all the techniques we do for trend following and for the reversal. There are very specific patterns. So the way I see that, I spot an important zone. In that case, we have a round number 133 which rejects, and we have a rejection zone that we found here. This is good because this is the first level to pay attention to. But then we start to see, so there is also divergence. It starts with the MACD, it also is on our RSI, that looks good. So I go to the next time frame online, which is the 1 hour chart, and what I'm able to find on the 1 hour chart, that on this very wave that is developing here, we got a massive divergence. And each wave starts to be smaller and smaller. This is a great sign that verifies that the 4 hour chart really reached some significant zone. Then I pay attention to the fake spikes around this area, and boom, a red bulb just turns on and gives us the opportunity. From that moment, what I am looking for is my possible entries. And as I mentioned, I work with multi-time frame analysis. So the third in the line, I work with 3 time frames to find my best opportunities. And here I got the one of the reversal patterns that I love to spot, where I have series of highs and lows going in the opposite direction than the major trend was. And boom, we got this pattern here, 3 lower highs, lower lows, looking to sell reversals is my plan. Okay, then the next step is to mark specific levels and to join the possible opportunity, and here is how it worked out. So this is where we are. We after that got the pullback in the ABCD structure right back to the rejection zone, and we had a couple of them to pay attention here. The first level, right, was rejected, and pretty nicely a bearish divergence continued there, and the ABCD breaks down. At that moment, we are free to go. And what is the best in such opportunities is, at the moment you spot it, normally you have a small risk with a pretty deep reward and a great risk reward ratio, and that is available to you thanks to the multi-time frame analysis. Now I would like to take 10 seconds of your time and to ask your help in my channel and my work. Please hit the like button below this video. It is very important to the channel to continue and grow. YouTube algorithm works this very way. It needs your likes and your feedbacks below in the comment section. Your help is very much appreciated, so please take 10 seconds, hit the like button, drop some feedback below, and it would be a big help to my work and this channel. Thank you very much in advance. So going back to the pound dollar, and to sum up the whole principle of reversal strategies, I want you to remember the next things. Reversal is as is. Reversal. It's not necessarily a beginning of a major trend. It could be just a correction to the existing trend. How exactly, how big it will be, you can never predict in advance. What you have to follow is the way that the market develops. If the trend changes, you will see the market creating the opposite movement that it did before. Like, for example, from up to down, it will start to create lower lows and then lower highs, hinting you that maybe the trend changes. Can you predict in advance how big the move will be? The answer is no. And don't believe anyone who will claim that he can predict super accurately how it will be. No one can. In some cases you can try, and in some cases you will be right. Okay? But it's prediction is a prediction. Facts are facts, and what we have to follow is the market facts. So the first thing of reversal starts of finding a trend, finding signs for the trend to stop, and that starts with a key zone one of the ways I love to, the way I use is rejection zone, and then I plot Fibonacci levels and Fibonacci extensions, and I try to find a way where they are synchronized. Okay, and once again, I invite you to Traders Academy Club to learn all these techniques exactly. How do I use the Fibonacci expansions? How do I combine it together in multi-time frame analysis? I go to the lower time frame to make sure the rejection zone and the levels have the verification with divergences. I put the general analysis together, and then I go to the third lower time frame and I start to look for my opportunities. In that specific case, one of my techniques that was tradable here was 3 waves down ABCD correction. There are many more of them that could work out differently in different scenarios, but they all fit in together in a multi-time frame analysis, and the risk reward is available in your favor, okay, because of the multi-time frame analysis. Remember, it all starts from the higher time frame. The lower time frame is just for timing and to find great risk reward opportunities. Okay, so that's pretty much for this video. As I showed you, this is one of the examples we had in our Traders Academy Club watch list, and this is the full list. You can follow us in the club and to enjoy from this list on daily basis. And that's pretty much it for this video. I would like to thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you understand what reversal is and the principles behind the reversal, because just saying it will reverse for you, or the way that beginners trade, if anything goes up it has to go down, that's not good. Shoot in the dark, I call it. Okay, when you just say, oh, it was rallying too much, it has to go down, it's nothing by an illusion, by a fantasy. Okay, there are official signs, and these signs have to be followed, and these signs are specific, and that's very important to understand, so you don't fill yourself with empty illusions and empty hopes that now you are going to catch a big fish. Okay, there are very specific rules for reversals. Some of them I just showed you now. The others I invite you to learn with us in Traders Academy Club. The link to join is below. Thanks a lot for your time watching this video. I hope you find it educational, and thank you for your help in my channel, for the like button, for leaving the feedback, and feel free to share this video with anyone you want. It's completely free for the community, of course. And that's all. So stay safe, be well, and I'll see you around with more videos, more educational content soon.